Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss that what are the broad principles for allowing the condonation of delay in filing the various appeals at the various forums. Generally, it has been seen that sometimes the assessee gets delay in filing the appeals and the revenue also files the appeal late. But whether it is the assessee or whether it is the revenue, whenever there is delay in filing the appeals, that delay should be supported by sufficiency of cause why the appeals have been delayed, or in other words, the delay should be properly explained. The broad principles have been defined by the Delhi High Court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Versatile Polytech Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 464 ITR at page number 151. The date of the judgment is 12th December 2023. In the present case, the facts of the case are like this. The Income Tax Department has filed some appeals in Delhi High Court, and after some time they withdrew the appeal and court allowed them to file the fresh appeals, and this liberty was given to the revenue. But the Income Tax Department was not able to file the appeals in time, and they filed the appeals after 3 years. When these appeals were filed, then the assessee vehemently opposed these condonation. When the matter was heard by the Delhi High Court, Delhi High Court said that there is no doubt that in case of government bodies, owing to the personal state machinery, delays and defaults on the part of the government must be accepted with latitude, but that to a certain extent. Delhi High Court said that it is a tried law that the condonation should be taken very liberally, but liberal interpretation and the substantial justice cannot be overstretched to render the law of limitation otiose. Delhi High Court said that the party who is seeking condonation should have sufficient cause, and at the same time Delhi High Court explained the difference of explanation and excuse. Delhi High Court said that the long delays can be condoned if they are supported by good explanation. On the other hand, even the shortest of the condonation should not be allowed if they are supported by lame excuses. The court said that when the party who is seeking condonation is able to demonstrate that something has happened which was not within his fault, then it is an explanation. But if the circumstances demonstrate that the party is only denying his responsibility, then it is a concept of excuse. So Delhi High Court explained the difference between the explanation and the excuse, and in the present case Delhi High Court denied to allow the condonation of the revenue in filing the appeals after 3 years. Friends, generally I have also seen in the practice that the people take very lightly the period of limitation in filing the appeals, but the rule of law is that whenever a delay is there, it should be supported by proper explanation. Each and every delay should be explained. Although the courts give condonation, but it is not a right of the assessee to ask for the condonation every time. So we should file the appeals in time. Otherwise, there can be very serious repercussions if the court feels that the assessee is in the habit of filing the appeals late. So the law of condonation should be understood in a right perspective, and every delay should not be condoned. So in the present case, Delhi High Court quashed the condonation application of the revenue. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Versatile Polytech Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 464 ITR at page number 151, and the date of the judgment is 12th December 2023. Thank you, friends.